every corner, life's grand design. Oh, sweet spring, how you make us shine. Oh, sweet springtime, feel the sun's warm rays, bringing hope to brighten all our days. Strolling down the street with hearts aglow in the season's splendor, we all know. Rejoice in nature's grace, as springtime brings a smile to every face.